This mini fridge is perfect for that garage fridge or your room fridge or even a work fridge. It has a lot of space for drinks, food, and it even has the vegetable crisper down here. There's a dial to set the temperature in case you want it really cold or just a little bit cool. There's also a freezer here, which is a great size if you have like small dessert or you have ice trays to have ice later on. It is very energy efficient and very quiet. And to me, it's just the perfect size for something like this. So I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.